In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a discount code on Acuity scheduling. Now, the first thing you have to do here on your dashboard, you want to go to either appointment types and you want to go to coupons over here, which is going to take you to at this point over here, where you can go ahead and click on a new coupon for appointments, or you can go back here where it says packages, gift, and subscriptions. You want to click on the coupons and you want to go and create a new coupon for packages, okay? Now, from here on, it's going to be pretty much the same thing. It just depends what type of discount code you want to add. So I'm actually going to go back and I'm going to add a coupon code for appointment types. So I'm going to click on coupons and then new coupon for appointments. Now, as you can see, this screen is going to be pretty much the same. Again, it just depends on what you're trying to get a coupon for. So to add a discount code, you want to give it a name. So I had one which was called 20 off. I'm going to name this one 50 off like this. That's going to be the code. It could be whatever, and you could enter multiple as well if you want to, but I'm just going to basically leave it like it is over here. So I'm going to do 50 off like this. I'm actually going to refresh that so we get the kind of fresh view. There we go. So it's going to be 50 off, and then discount is going to be 50, and it's going to be a percent discount. Okay, of course you could do a set dollar amount, but I like discounts and percentages, so I'm going to do it like this. Then here it says this can be used. You could do each customer can use it once. The total number of uses can be, of course, a certain amount, or you could do it unlimited uses. I'm going to do each customer can use this once, and then this code is going to apply to any appointment type, but you can of course go ahead and customize what you want to apply to. So you could do, like, for example, just a few of these if you wanna, or of course do all of them if that's what you prefer. Then you have the expiration. I'm going to do it doesn't expire, but of course you could do it expires, for example, on July 1st. Now I'm going to leave it like that, click on save coupon, and just like this, we've successfully added a discount code on Acuity, and it's called 50 off, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.